How to fix login error in Google Flights. First, if you're having any kinds of problem with the website or with the application, make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on your control center and turn on your Wi-Fi. By doing so, you'll be able to connect to your network. After that, you want to tap on your browser, and on the search bar you want to type in Google Flights. Tap on Google Flights and click on the first website. Here at the top right of your screen, you can see your profile picture. You can simply tap on it, and if you want to change the account that you're logged in, you can simply change it from here. And if you want to add another account, you can simply click on add another account. If you're having any problems with the login, you want to simply switch your account from here, and you'll be logged in with a different account this time. And by doing so you shouldn't be facing, and now you'll be able to use the website. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.